Hi, I'll show you how to make a right angle slit. We'll use this mitered corner technique. This is a mitered corner. When we make a right angle, we fold it back like this, but that makes this part thicker. With this method, it stays very fanned. If you're making clothes or haute couture, do this. Sew back the seam allowance. I left a 1.6 centimeters allowance. If it's too narrow, it won't lay flat when folded. Sew up to the stop point of the slit. Next, fold back the serged edge here. Tuck it in just a little bit, then sew a line along here. Sew this about 1 centimeter past the line below, because we'll sew the slit line later. If we sew all the way down, 2 lines will show, which looks bad. So just go a little bit past the slit opening. Same for this side. Once both sides are sewn, let's give it an iron. Then iron this section back to the same width as the top. Be careful not to burn your hands while ironing. The steam is very hot. After ironing this line, we'll iron here. Once it's ironed, we need to mark the points on this overlapping diagonal. We'll be sewing from this inner position, so mark a point on top and one on the bottom as a guide. Do this for both sides. Now that we've marked the points, let's sew it back. Open it up. You can trim this part a bit. It's too thick here to sew easily. Then use an awl to hold down this iron quarter and sew back along this fold line. Align the top and bottom positions. So from this corner here, open it right here. We'll use the awl to neaten up this quarter. Once it's neatened, let's sew the line for the slit. When you reach this spot, see, I've drawn a triangle here. It's an isosceles triangle. It just so happens that this part runs parallel. We'll sew it like this. This is our finished slit corner. Then, on the right side, after flipping it over, sew across like this to make a bar tack.